Question number 16. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give a 7 each cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. Sum of 700. It means question number 16. SN मीन S7 टोटल प्राइस टोटल जो प्राइस है वो 7 है, तो S7 इक्वल टू रुपीज 700। ओवरऑल जो प्राइस है वो घट रहे हैं। अगर पहला 100 है तो उसके बाद वाला 80, उसके बाद वाला 60 means what is D? D equal to minus 20 because the each price is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. पहले वाले से जो अगला है वो 20 कम है। It means the difference between consecutive prices is minus 20. So we have to find the value of each price. Now what is n? N is equal to 7 and Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn means S7. What is S7? 7 by 2 into 2 into a plus 7 minus 1 into what is d? D is minus 20. So what is S7? S7 is 700. 7 by 2 into 2 into a plus 7 minus 1 6 into minus 20. Now this 7 by 2, 7 by 2 by 7 into 700 multiply with 2. 700 multiply by 2 and divide by 7 and this becomes 2a minus minus into plus minus 6 into 20 120 and this becomes 200. Now taking this to this side plus 100 into 2 200, taking this 120 to this side plus 120, this is equal to 2a or 2a equal to 320 and a equal to 320 divided by 2 and this becomes 160. So each price लास्ट में हो जाएगा वैल्यू ऑफ ईच प्राइस, वैल्यू ऑफ ईच प्राइस 160, then 20 less from this 140, then 20 less from this 120, then 100, then 80, then 60 and last is 40. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 cash prizes. This 700 rupees, 700 divided into 7 cash prizes. Now next question, question number 70. In a school, students thought of planting trees and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. यानी कि क्या कहा गया, एक स्कूल में जितने बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, एक क्लास के अंदर जितने, मान लिया फर्स्ट क्लास का बच्चा है तो वो एक पौधा लगाएगा, सेकंड का है तो 2 लगाएगा, थर्ड का है तो 3 लगाएगा। तो एक बच्चा उतने ही पौधे लगाएगा जितने जो उसकी क्लास है। अब देखिए, अगर उस क्लास के सेक्शन 3 है तो कितने लगाएगा? फर्स्ट क्लास के 3 सेक्शन दे रखे हैं तो 3 पौधे लगाएंगे। सेकंड के अगर 3 है तो कितने, 3 सेक्शन है तो वो 6 लगाएंगे। तो इस तरह से जो एपी बनेगी, एपी मान लिया जाए फर्स्ट क्लास सेक्शन ए बी सी। अब एक इसने लगाया, एक इसने लगा, एक इसने लगा, तो फर्स्ट के टोटल कितने ट्रीज लगे? 3। फिर सेकंड के भी 1 2 और 3, सेकंड ने भी कितने लगाए वही 3, लेकिन ट्री कितने लगे? 3 into 2 6। अगेन थर्ड, नाउ इसके भी 3 सेक्शन है, ए बी एंड सी। अब यहां से 1 2 और 3 ट्री कितने लगे? 3 into थर्ड क्लास है 9। इस प्रकार जो एपी बनी वो क्या बने भाई? 3 6 9 12 और लास्ट में 12th क्लास। If here is 12th class, 3 section, each section plant 1 tree and total tree is 3 and multiply by this 12, 36 plant or trees planted by class 12. Now what is A? A is 3. What is D? 6 minus 3 equal to 3. And what is AN? यानी कि A12. This is 36. Because there are total 12 classes. So N is equal to 12. So we have to find total number of trees planted by the school. S12. Formula is n by 2 a plus an. When first term and last term is given, then we can apply this a plus an formula. If last term is not given, then we apply 2a plus n minus 1 into d, the formula for Sn, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If here first term and last term is given, then a plus an. Now put these values. 12 by 2 into what is A? A is 3. And what is AN? 36. This is 6. This implies 6 into 39. Multiply 6 9 ja 54. 5 6 3 ja 18 plus 5 23. 234. अब यहां से उस स्कूल ने टोटल कितने ट्रीज लगाए भाई? 234 ट्रीज लगाए। मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 और 18। In a spiral is made up of successive semicircle with center alternatively at A, B, starting with center A of radii. इस तरह से देखोगे, हमारे पास एक सेमी सर्कल है, उसके बाद एक और सेमी सर्कल है, ये A, फिर दूसरा सर्कल आ गया, फिर तीसरा सर्कल आ गया। इस तरह से सेमी सर्कल बनते चले गए। यहां से यहां तक है L और यहां से यहां तक, फिर यहां से यहां तक ये L1 ये L2। मैं नाम दे देता हूं A B, फिर C D E F, यानी कि B C is L, and CD is L2, and DE is L3, and EF is L4. Consecutively, it makes total 13 consecutive semicircles. So what is N? N is equal to 13. Now we have to find total length of such spiral. Now we have to find this length. If this is a semicircle, we have to find this. This is L1. And what is R? Here R1 is 0.5 and R2 1.0. R3 is equal to 1.5. 0.5 radius is increased consecutively up to 13 semicircles. Now we have to find L1, L2, L3. Now AP L1, L2, L3 to 13 टर्म्स. हम यहां प्लस की जगह कोमा भी लगा सकते हैं. L1, L2, L3 dash dash to 13 terms. So we get N is equal to 13. What is L1? L1 equal to 1 by 2 pi R1, because this is the semicircle. हम कह सकते हैं circumference of a semicircle. Circumference of a semicircle. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and 1 by 2 of a whole circle. 1 by 2 of a whole circle is semicircle. Circumference of a semicircle. So it becomes pi r1, and this becomes pi into 0.5, or we say 0.5 pi. What is L2? Again 2 by 2 pi r2. It becomes pi r2, and this becomes pi into 1.0, or this becomes pi. And what is L3? L3 is 2 by 2 pi r3. Pi into r3 is 1.5. This becomes 1.5 pi. From here, the AP becomes 0.5 pi, comma pi, comma 1.5 pi, comma 2 pi, dash 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 to 13 terms. From here, what is A? 0.5 pi. What is D? 1 pi minus 0.5. 1 pi minus 0.5 pi. This becomes 0.5 pi. And what is N? Equal to 13. Now we have to calculate S13. Equal to 13 by 2 mean N by 2 into 2 into A. What is A? A 0.5 pi. 2A plus N minus 1. 13 minus 1. This becomes 12. Into D. D is 0.5 pi. What it becomes? 13 by 2 into 5 to ja 10. It becomes 1.0 pi. Plus 12 5 ja 60. It becomes 6.0 pi. This becomes 13 by 2 into 7 pi. Put the value of pi. 13 by 2 into 7 into 22 by 7. 7 is cancelled out and 22 is cancelled out with 2. It becomes 11 and 13 into 11. 13 into 11. This becomes 143 centimeter. This is the total length of 13 spiral. Length of total 13 spiral. Let's do next question. Question number 19. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner, like this. In the first row, there are 20 logs in the bottom row, and then next 19, and then next 18. Then the AP is like this: 20, 19, 18, and so on. Total 200 logs mean Sn equal to 200 logs. We have to find how many rows are there 200 logs are placed and how many logs are in the top row. अब ये 200 logs है, ये कितनी रोज में आएंगे और जो लास्ट रो है उसमें कितने logs होंगे. देखो यहां पर हमें क्या मिलता है, Sn मिल गया, A is 20 and D is 19 minus 20 is equal to -1. Now what is Sn? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 200. N by 2 into 2 into a. What is a? A is 20 plus n minus 1. What is d? D is -1. Multiply this. This becomes 400. 2 into 200 becomes 400. N into 40 minus 1 into n minus n. And minus 1 into -1 plus 1. This becomes 40 n into 40 plus 1, 41 minus n. This becomes 41 n minus n square, and this is 400. Now taking this to this side, this becomes n square, negative becomes positive, positive becomes minus or negative n, and this remain positive. Now we have to make factor of 400, factor of 400 in such a way that their sum is 41 or their difference is 41. 16 into 25, and this is equal to 400. 14 into 18, 16 into 5, 80, or 16 into 2, 32 plus 8, 40. This is because 16 plus 25 is 41. Now this becomes n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 equal to 0. Taking common this and this from first two terms, n is common, n into n square minus 25. अब open करते हैं n into 25, 25n. Now from these two take minus 16 common. This becomes n. If you open it, minus 16 into n, minus 16n, and here is minus into minus plus, and this is 25. 16 minus 16 into minus 25 becomes plus 400. Now taking common term from these two, this is n minus 25, and here is n, and here is minus 16. So n minus 25 is taken common from these two terms, n minus 16 is another factor of this quadratic equation. Now put these both two factor equal to 0. n minus 25 equal to 0, n minus 16 equal to 0. n is equal to 25 and n is equal to 16. Now we get two values of n. So we have to calculate an. We cannot explain which value of n is satisfied to this condition. Whether these 200 logs are placed in 25 rows or in 16 rows. It can be explained after finding the value of an. An means A25. Using the formula of an. And what is an? A plus n minus 1 into d. What is A? A is 20. n minus 1, 25 minus 1, 24. Into d is minus 1. This becomes 20 minus 24 equal to minus 4. Log cannot be negative. So n equal to 25 is neglected. So we have to calculate it. A16. A plus 16 minus 1. Sixteen minus 1 into d is minus 1. 20 plus 15 into minus 1. This becomes 20 minus 15 and this becomes 5. So A16 contains 5 logs. आंसर चेक करते हैं बेटा एक बार इसका, क्या ये ठीक है? जी सर, बिल्कुल ओके, ठीक है. 5 logs are placed at the top row and total 16 rows. Number of rows 16 and total 5 logs are placed in the uppermost rows. Now next question. Question number 20. Here in a potato race, a bucket is placed in the starting point which is 5 meters apart from first potato. इस तरह से एक बकेट रख दी गई है. फर्स्ट कंपटीटर जो है यहां है, यहां ये इससे 5 सेंटीमीटर की दूरी पर या 5 मीटर की दूरी पर रखी गई है. उसके बाद ये 3 मीटर पे है. तो फर्स्ट कंपटीटर जो आएगा वो यहां पे है. वो आया, यहां से गया, उसने पोटैटो उठाया और उठा के वापस ला करके बाल्टी में डाल दिया. तो इसने कितनी दूरी तय की? एक बार गया, एक बार आया. 5 plus 5, दिस इज 10. नाउ नेक्स्ट कंपटीटर यहां से फिर गया, 5 plus 3, 8 गया और 8 ही आया. तो इसने कितने की? 8 plus 8, 16. नाउ नेक्स्ट कंपटीटर वो यहां से यहां गया, तो यहां 3 और बढ़ गई. 8 plus 3, 11 गया और 11 ही आकर के पोटैटो उठाया, उठा के आगे बाल्टी में डाल दिया. तो ये कितना होगा भाई? 11 plus 11, 22. तो एपी क्या बनी भाई? 10, 16, 22, 2. लास्ट क्या है भाई? ये लास्ट इसमें व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर हैज टू रन. देयर इज 10 पोटैटो, so to 10 terms. To 10 terms. What is A? A is 10. What is D? 16 minus 10. This is 6. And what is N? 10. We have to find Sn. This is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Sn? N is 10. So this is S10. 10 by 2 into 2 into a. A is again 10 plus. N is 10 minus 1. What is d? D is 6. This becomes 5 because 10 is cancelled out with 2. 2 5s are 10 into 10 2s are 20 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 6. 5 into 20 plus 9 6 are 54. And this becomes 5 into 74. Multiply it. 5 4s are 20. 5 7 are 35. 35 plus 2 37. 370 meter. It means the competitor run total distance equal to 370 meter.